2024 Kia Sorento. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!